Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another creative adventure for Junk Journal January, day number 6. Let's dive into today's prompt, which is page as an object. This was one of the prompts I had a clear vision in mind from the start, in a way. So let's find a right page for the prompt and dive in. I decided here on the music sheets, just get the little prompt tag ready to go, because the idea I had for this prompt from the start was to use some origami to include into my junk journal spread for the day and kind of let the origami object grow out of the page in a way. So I decided to get some more music sheets to have the same material for the origami object as well as the page I'm using for this spread. So here I'm just struggling a bit to get the square shaped thing to go, and now we just fold an origami Kranich, an origami crane for the spread. There are in-depth tutorials on YouTube. I don't know, I'm not that professional at it that I could talk you through it, but maybe I can try. You have to just fold over the page twice, that you have like a cross pattern on it, so that you can then fold it into a kind of diamond shape. That's what I'm a bit struggling with here. You will see a top-down view, which makes it more obvious what I'm doing now. So you start with a square and then you fold that down the middle half twice, so that you have a line down from one edge to the next, as well as in the middle of each spread. So just repeat the folding pattern I do here. You will need those lines to further fold it, and then now we have to fold it inwards. That's the part that is a bit difficult to get this kind of diamond shape. I hope it makes sense. Now fold the sides tips into the middle of our little square. It's better you look at the screen what I'm doing, and then you fold the thing over and repeat the process again. And make sure all your folds are very neat. That's pretty important for the later steps. So now we fold over the bottom tip to the one side and also to the other. That's only to make the crease and the fold really bendable, because we will need that for our next step. Now we open back up what we did fold for now and kind of fold the tip to the other side and repeat that as well. Then fold both those upwards, that we have like a more pointy diamond shape now. And then you fold in again to the middle, the sides, both to make the kind of diamond shape even more pointier. So you kind of repeat the process you did earlier in a way. And now you just again flip over your piece and repeat it for the other side. Next you fold it in so that you have it the other way. I don't know how to explain it. The visuals are hopefully way more helpful. And then you fold up both of those tips like I did here. And now you kind of undo the last step by again folding it the other way. Then you have your wings for your bird, and now you can just reshape the tail and fold down the other tip for the head. And you can also just pull it out a little bit, that it kind of is like it's leaning forward. I hope this makes sense in any way, shape or form. And don't worry if you can't follow my little try at a tutorial here. There are also tutorials on YouTube as well, and some visual representation of how to do that. Sometimes I feel like it's easier to follow a drawn out illustration of this kind of folding how-tos, at least for me. That's it. So if you have your shape ready, or maybe you have a completely different idea for your page as an object, I can't wait to see what you all come up with. So I decided to get some string to attach the little birdie, not too physical to the page, but make it an interactive piece of the spread. Now I'm just deciding to add some more visual elements with some kind of vintage inspired stickers to add a bit more to the spread. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy, and would love to hear your creative ideas in the comments down below. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy creating!